I think it's important to teach people, to let people know the important serious. Because for many people, they think yoga is just some postures. And
Yeah.
even for somebody, they think if they don't flexible, they have no access to practice yoga. But the
Mm.
truth is not. Yoga is a holistic practice.
Yes. It is. It requires the mental, spiritual, physical, and emotional
Yeah.
to,
Mhm.
to become one, right?
Yeah, we need, and I think as for practice, we need to do some soft vinyasas. Means we need to like some easy poses, but we need to repeat it for a long time
Yeah.
to make our body to develop a fluent and smooth breath.
Mm.
Like
Yeah.
inhale, raising your hand, and
Yeah.
exhale, bend forward.
Yeah.
Repeated it for many times.
How
No,
many
that's too
times?
much. That's too much.
Here?
You use too much strength to breathe in.
How about now?
Breathing in, breathing out. Breathing in, breathing out. Yeah.
I'm
Breathing.
sitting down. Is that okay?
Yeah, sitting down is better than stand up.
Really?
Yeah,
Okay.
especially for men and for some stiff, stiff person. It's
I'm
better.
stiff.
Yeah, for many, the majority men are stiff, so it's
Oh.
better to practice this pose on a chair.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So
And relax your shoulders. You don't
I
have to raise
can't.
your hand
I.
so much.
Oh,
Like,
okay.
yeah,
I can't relax my shoulders
uh, don't straighten your arms like this.
like this.
Yeah, breathe out, forward. Yeah, relax your shoulders. Breathing in,
I can't. My shoulders are heavy. My arms are heavy.
and then put
They're
down your
so heavy.
put down your arms. Put down your arms.
Okay.
Yeah. Breathing in, look at the sky. Breathing out, look at your nose. Downward. Downward, please.
Okay.
And breathing in, look at your third eye.